Hey boss ladies, welcome back to the Boss Lady Lounge, where we elevate, educate, and motivate women to win in life one smart decision at a time. It's your girl Ms. D and Ms. Kina, and today we're diving into something that can truly change your whole month. A full 30-day budget meal plan that is 100% SNAP friendly. Whether you're on a tight grocery budget using SNAP benefits or just trying to stretch your coins in 2026, this video is packed with meals, tips, and strategies that help you feed your family healthy, filling, affordable meals for the entire month. Let's get into it. Most people overspend because they don't have a plan. A 30-day meal plan helps you avoid impulse buys, cut down on food waste, buy in bulk to save more, reuse ingredients across multiple meals, and know exactly what you'll cook each day. When money is tight, planning isn't optional. It's essential. And meal planning is one of the biggest money-saving habits you can build. SNAP benefits stretch the most when you focus on foods that are cheap, versatile, and filling. Here are your SNAP-friendly foods. Rice costs little, feeds a lot. Beans, protein without the price. Chicken legs and thighs, cheaper than breast. Canned tomatoes, sauces, soups, and more. Potatoes, endless ways to cook. Eggs, breakfast, lunch, or dinner. Canned beans and veggies, long shelf life. Frozen vegetables, cheaper, no waste. Pasta, super filling and versatile. So these are really the backbone of your 30-day plan. Alright, week 1 is all about comfort and affordable meals. You've got chicken and rice, spaghetti with garlic bread, vegetable stir fry, bean and cheese burritos, and tuna patties with mashed potatoes. Moving on, week 2 is focused on one-pot meals to save you time. That means chili, chicken noodle soup, cabbage with smoked sausage, shrimp or chicken Alfredo, and hey, don't forget a breakfast for dinner day. Alright y'all, week 3 is all about those low-cost family favorites. We're talking taco bowls, chicken thighs with roasted veggies, baked potatoes loaded up with your favorite toppings, pasta with a hearty meat sauce, and rice bowls. Seriously, these meals are delicious, filling, and easy on your wallet. Easy. Now, moving into week 4, it's time for leftover and stretch meals. We've got casserole night, veggie fried rice, a cozy soup and sandwich night, beans with cornbread, and of course, that whatever's left night. Just using up what you've got and making it work. Each week, you're using overlapping ingredients, which means less waste and more savings. It's all about making your groceries go further so you save money and cut down on food waste. Pretty awesome, right? Meal prep doesn't have to be complicated, y'all. Here's how to prep for the entire week in under 2 hours. First, cook a big pot of rice, then bake or air fry your chicken. Next, chop up some onions, peppers, and carrots. Make one-pot meal like chili, super easy. Prep some grab-and-go snacks, and finally, portion your meals into containers. That's it. Oh, and I also made a full printable meal prep guide for you. Just check the description below. Boss ladies, I hope this SNAP-friendly 30-day budget meal plan helps you take control of your food budget and, reduce stress in the kitchen. If you want the free printable meal plan shopping list and the meal prep guide, just check the links below. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video with someone who needs it. This is Ms. D and Ms. Kina from the Boss Lady Lounge, reminding you that you can live well on a budget. Stay blessed, stay motivated, and I'll see you in the next video.